Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Robutel R1520 VPN router and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now there are two main reasons you would want to do this. The first one is troubleshooting. If this router is not connecting to the internet or devices are unable to connect with it, or it seems to be not responding or not working in any kind of way, we can fix a lot of these issues with a hard reset. Now you'll need to set everything up again as everything will be restored to its factory defaults. So what we're going to do is we're going to use this reset button and we're going to need a paper clip or a pin or whatever to press into there. And you need to press and hold that reset button for between 5 and 10 seconds. If you do it less than 5 seconds and more than 2 seconds, it will just reboot it. If you do it more than 10 seconds, it will cancel it out. So go between 5 and 10 seconds, and that will restore all of the default configurations. And then once it's finished, within a minute of it finishing that reset, do that again, do the reset again, and that will actually, a second reset will actually restore all of the factory out of the box configurations on it.